After back-to-back top four finishes, Inter raised eyebrows and raised the bar over the summer with the appointment of Antonio Conte. The new Nerazzurri head coach will hope for a winning start to life in Milan. Asamoah now. I'm not quite sure why the Croatian turned down the shooting chance. And now Inter need to be careful. Look at the pace here from Falco, and he slipped it through for Lapadula, and Handanovic has come a long way. Lapadula trying to curl it. Away by Skriniar. Lautaro Martinez. Good feet from him. Sensi loves to shoot from range. Instead it's wide for Candreva. Plenty in the box to aim for. Free header. Lautaro Martinez has to score from there. Well, he missed quite a few from that sort of range with his head last season, and that trend continues here. Still Asamoah, not a bad ball in again. Candreva thought about the shot. Asamoah in space. And that's Brozovic! And into lead. Him again. New signings are plenty, but it's one of the old guard on target. Asamoah curling it in. It drops here for Sensi. Vecino inadvertently blocking it, I think. Still there, Sensi! Oh, that's wonderful! This time it is a new signing on target. Denied by Vecino in the first instance, but he wasn't to be denied for long. Stefano Sensi already on target in pre-season, but that's a first competitive goal with the Nerazzurri colours. And now Lukaku has it, and Inter can spring forward. The Belgian has Martinez in support. Brozovic is there too. Lautaro Martinez forced a little wide, but Brozovic can add a third, and he very nearly did. It's Candreva's ball inside, given away to Taxides. But this is Lautaro Martinez, and a chance for Lukaku! On target, on his debut. Gabriel at fault, but who was the first to react? It's the record signing. So much expected of him. And that's the first goal to pay back the heavy investment. Now Barella. Candreva, he loves to shoot. That's a long way out, but it doesn't matter. Antonio Candreva puts the icing on the cake. They stood off him. Antonio Conte off to a flying start as Inter head coach. It is finished. Inter 4, Lecce 0.